my goodness. Bad luck, bad luck. I'm not even kidding, this is bad luck. Okay, so I went ahead and I took all my measurements where all my studs are. I confirmed to see if my studs are really there. And my studs are really there. That is a bummer. So, oh, by the way, to confirm, I just did the old knocking trick. When you knock, you can hear it's kind of hollow, and then as you get closer to a stud, it starts to sound more solid. And you can feel it too. If you're really not sure, you can take a tiny screwdriver and poke it through the wall to double check, make sure. But I'm pretty certain that all of these tape marks represent a stud. So, I can't find a way to equally space my speakers without hitting a stud, which is really bad luck for me. Good luck for you guys, because this might be something that you guys run into. I'll be honest, this is the first time I've not been able to get my side speakers at least somewhere matched on the stud spacing, but these studs are just perfectly in the way. So I don't have a choice. I need to remove a stud. And I mean, I guess I could change my style of speakers, do an on-wall speaker or do an in-ceiling speaker, but I want my in-wall speakers. My in-wall speakers are amazing. They look nice and they sound amazing. So I have no choice but to take out that stud. So at this point, if you guys have a stud that you need to remove, call a general contractor. I'm not going to go into how to decide if you can remove that stud or not. That's for a general contractor to decide. But I do know that I can remove a stud here in my house. So I decided I'm going to go 24 inches off the side of the TV to center of my speaker. So I'm going to come out here, 24 inches, I'm going to make a line. That marks the center of my speaker. Come out here 24 inches. I'm going to make a line. Woo! Okay, now we know how far we're going to be to the center of the speaker. We need to know how we're going to be up and down. Well, I want to be centered on the TV. So to do that, I'm going to take a piece of tape. I'm going to put it on my TV, just like that. And I'm going to measure my TV. Top to bottom, 33 inches. So half of 33, 16 and a half. Bam. Okay, now I'm going to take a measurement from the floor to the line that I just made on the TV. 56 and 3/8. 56 and 3/8. So I'm going to go over here to the wall. 56 and 3/8. Oops. 56 and 3/8. That marks the center of my speaker. Go over here. 56 and 3/8. There we go. So now I know where my speakers are going to be left and right and up and down. As you can see on this side, this is the center of my speaker. Bam! Right on top of a stud. That stud has got to go. Bummer. It's a lot of work. I was kind of really trying to hope I didn't have to do something like that. But I guess it works out for you guys. You guys get to see what happens in a bad situation. Okay, next thing I got to do is I got to place this speaker. This speaker should be directly below the center of your TV. So in my case, that's 77 1/4 off the sidewall. 77 1/4. And then I'm going to go, you guys can put the distance from the top of your speaker to the bottom of your TV, any distance that you want. This is more of a looks thing. I like to have a pretty good size. So all your speakers should come with something like this. This is the template. This is the cutting template. So the speaker is a little bit bigger than this. It's about anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch bigger than the template in all directions. So this will give me a rough idea of where my speaker is going to sit. So I'm just going to draw a line where I think it looks good. I think it looks good. Yeah. Right about there. You take a seat. can see, this is a rough installation. Bam, bam. 2 studs. 2 studs in the way. I need to get through 1, 2, 3 studs to get my speakers in the wall. So, this is a real bummer. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna line out my speakers where they go. Oh, which reminds me, I might as well show you guys how to do that. What I do is, since I've marked my centers, I'm gonna take a level and I'm gonna extend those lines out. So holding my level straight, and I'm just using a pencil so that when I'm done, I can just erase it. I can't believe I gotta cut those studs. What a bummer. What a bummer! Ah. Hopefully when you guys do your installation, you won't have that problem. But, I guess it's a good thing, right? My installation should be harder than your installation. Otherwise, you'd have no reason to buy these videos. So, I'm going to go ahead, continue to stretch out lines as needed, trace out my templates, and we'll come back to the next step.